Hey, so this is update number 2 on the interior overhaul. Right now, let me show you where we're at. So it's been a few weeks since I last posted a video. Right now I've got the entire car all fat matted. So this fat mat is 50 mil thick, which is not too thick, it's not too thin. I don't think I wanted the other, I think there's a 80 mil thick that they sell now, but I think this was fine. It also was it was cheaper for 100. I got 100 square foot and I used every last foot of it, from door panel to the firewall. Behind that firewall insulation, I've matted there. Same over there too, in the passenger side. Door, all the floor. I didn't do these quarters right here, but I did the wheel wells. The package tray, the roof, a couple strips. So this bracket right here was loose and it was rattling, and that also supported the roof to not cave in like a lot of the cars do. I guess the glue just comes over, just separates over time. So I just went to the store and got the insulation foam, and that worked out good. So, and then I just cut to trimmed it, so it's not in the way. So, and you can't see it right now, but the entire trunk is covered in fat mat also, from side to side, and spare wheel well. So right now I'm installing, actually just finished installing the wiring for the stereo, speakers. I got dash speakers. I did the HVAC also. I don't have complete AC now, but I do have complete heater. I just need to get heater hoses and run it to the heater cord. But for the AC, I have it set up now, so everything is new. If you check my Instagram, I posted everything that I do. It's a lot quicker than YouTube, and I can post every day all the stuff that I do. So I got a new evap for the AC and the heater cord right there with the vacuum line that I got to hook up. That way you can control the vents. So that's all new. I'll need heater hoses to run, but I still will need the AC components that go into the engine bay, like the dryer, I believe. I do need a condenser, the compressor, and then the lines. And then I think I got to run the pressure switches to it, which I'll figure that out later. So while I had the whole car torn apart, I redid the wiring a lot nicer, a lot neater inside the dash. I have my Coyote control pack fuse box in here. It's not mounted yet. I need to find I need to mount that. So I put it in there so it's a cleaner look in the engine bay. Quick access, you can check any fuses. So this is what you need to connect to the Coyote fuel pump. I put a weather pack on there, and then you have 3 wires that I was mentioning in the last video. I use them, posi tabs to connect to it, and then you just snap the connector into the harness, and that's it. So that's the easy part of that's the easiest part of the Coyote swap, is wiring it. Fuel, power, and it'll run. So now I still need to put speakers in the rear right there. I think I'll get a sub later. The next thing to do is, since I got all the wiring ready, figured out, everything's connected. I did test the stereo, it works great. I did put a camera in the rear, that way when I need to back up real close, I can get as close as I can to whatever I'm backing up to. Like at a car show, usually I'm backing up against other cars or a wall, and it's hard to see, you know, so cameras, it helps a lot. So that'll go to the radio. And then here's my carpet. I'm just letting it take shape again. So all that's been done. It's taken a long time because I've taken my time and done everything perfectly right. So next, the carpet will go in. I will install the radio, install the dash from Dakota Digital. I think I'll do a install video. Not too sure how long that'll take. I'll have to put my GoPro on and do point of view wiring. But I bought a bunch of posi taps just for that, because I know I'll be tapping into a lot of wires like blinkers, the handbrake stuff. They want you to splice into a lot of wires, but for the dash. And then also what I'm going to buy is the OBD2 connector to plug into my OBD2 to make all of the sensors work. Well, most of them. Here's the OBD2 for the Coyote. There's a port right there, and then here's check engine light. So I'm gonna have to tap into the check engine light to go to the dash. And I'll hide that away somewhere else. I used to have it on the side right here for easy access on the control panel. But we'll see where I put it. You know, I might just put it back underneath the dash just for easy access, mounting something like that. Other than that, everything works great. So I just got to finish up some more wiring. Since I took out the harness from the engine and rerouted and was able to fit the computer harness for the for the Coyote through that grommet, and then I bought that grommet through LMR. So I had to splice it open down the middle so I can get that big harness in there. So that was a pain. I had to file down and shave a little bit off of the hole for the computer harness inside the firewall while everything was out. So that was fun. And then file everything, make it smooth. And that was it. This was a pain in the ass and stopping me from doing a lot of things. So once I got that done, I'm able to wire everything back up. I got new connectors for the contour fans. I got the alternator, intercooler pump if you have a supercharger, the MAF sensor. So it's getting close. Maybe one or two more weeks with me taking my time. We'll see. All right, I'll check back with you later.